Hey YouTube, this is Nikki with Nikki Smacks. Today I got Five Guys. I got the big cheeseburger. Oh yes, it looks so good. Look how big that is. Nice and juicy. I got some fries. Let's dig in. I already said my grace, bless the hands, all that shit. I didn't mean to say shit, excuse me. It's so good. This is my first time tasting Five Guys. It's so good. Oh, and taste it with me. Look at that. How juicy it is, too. How are you guys doing today? I hope fine. As for me, I was hungry. These fries are good. Got a little raspberry lemonade. Excuse me. This burger is so good. It better be good for $10. Yeah. Bomb. These fries are so good. So how's you guys day? I hope it's going great on this fine day. I'm turning this food up. I ain't ate nothing today, so excuse me if I'm looking like a pig. These fries are really good. They're a little salty though. So good. Excuse me. This burger and fries is so good. It's so big. Mm. 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 And it's just the right meat. I told them do not burn my meat, because they was burning the meat on them other burgers. But mine's is just right, because I said medium well. Mm-mm-mm. My fries. Linky fries. It's good though. This juice right here is so good. What is it called? Langer's raspberry. So good. Excuse me. Oh shoot. I done waste all this damn cold water on my leg. I have to think about it. And it got on some of my fries. I'm still gonna eat it. So, I don't know why I got full so quick. I'm sorry. My mama always told me don't drink while you eat, because you can fall. Take one last bite for y'all. This is so good. I didn't realize that this burger was going to be this big. This burger is huge. I should have got one of them little teeny burgers, because this one is a massive burger. I didn't know how good they was. It's delicious though. Oh, so, excuse me. Phew. So YouTube, excuse me. I am like stuffed. I be trying to eat for y'all. I be getting too full too quick. But I hope you guys enjoy what I did eat. Stay tuned for more videos. If you want to see me do a video, leave me in the comments. And don't get mad because you're hearing me burp and not covering my mouth or whatever. This channel is not for manners. Excuse me. I cannot cover my mouth or whatever every time I burp. Sorry. If you don't like burps and smacking, please don't watch this channel. Respectfully. But all those who do like it, thank you for watching. And this is Nikki with Nikki Smacks. And my 5 guys. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye-bye.